Alright, and to sync the audio. So, we're out here at AMP and we just finished installing a new Rotax 125 motor into my, what was a KA100 cart. So now it's a Rotax 125. It's detuned just one step. So it's considered a junior class, which is, it has a couple more horsepower than my KA, but down the road I can upgrade it to a senior class and it'll add another 6 or so horsepower. It'll put it up around 30. So right now it's at about 24, 25, and it'll go about 70 down the long part, the straight. And we've got it tuned really rich right now for break-in, doing the first few sessions here, and so it's not super strong, kind of bogs down pretty easily right now, but it's okay. We're just taking it easy on the motor and letting it, you know, come up to pace. That should be good. And I've done a couple sessions. They weren't real exciting. This one may not be either, probably won't be either, but like I said, we're just kind of breaking it in. Now, I'm driving it, you know, I can't really hurt it unless something's terribly wrong. So just driving it pretty much like I want to. It's kind of loose in the back. I'm not sure what that's about. Little front end push, back end slide, front end push. Still warming the tires up for about 2 laps, 3 laps. And the cart in front of me is the slowest class, the LO206. But a very good driver. And his tires are up the temperature. Nice. Turn 2 is my nemesis. Ah! The whole cart is set up to turn left, more or less. Woo! A little much rotation there. really bogs down on that climb up that hill right now. Double apex. It's important to get the drive out as good as you can, because you're full throttle for so long. I can eventually do that full throttle. I just got to get my courage back up. It's been a while. It's been about a month. Slid all the way down that hill. Killed my run though. Go! Hard not to miss there. Still a wuss about it. Woo! I think it's my best lap so far. 559. Pretty good. It's not what I was doing on the KA. A few laps. So yeah, this is a water cooled package that isn't very common here. Most people don't run the Rotax setup because it's a little underpowered compared to the other engine in its class, which is the AMP, A-I-M-A, or E at the end, excuse me. What they call XT30. So it's also a 125 water cooled 2-stroke, but the radiators on that side. This one, the package is all kind of nice and together, but it also puts all the weight on one side, and that setup is good for left-hand turns, and I'll explain that sometime. It's not, they don't work the way you think with carts. You want all the weight to be on the outside tire because it's a solid axle across the back. But I'll explain all that some other time. Whew, I'm winded after just a few laps, but it's good. Good exercise. All right. Check over things and get ready for the last session.